do you mean you packed her bag?
Chris,
What day you packed her bag?
she doesn't belong here.
Then I don't belong here.
She's Larry's girl.
And I'm his brother. And he's dead. I'm marrying his girl.
Never. Never in this world.
Have you lost your mind?
You have nothing to say?
Oh, I got plenty to say. 3.5 years, you've been talking like a maniac.
Nothing. You have nothing to say. Now I say, he's coming back. And everybody has got to wait.
Mother.
Wait.
How long? How long?
Till he comes. Forever and ever until he comes.
Mother, I'm going ahead with it.
Chris, I've never said no to you in your life. Now I say no.
You'll never let him go till I do it.
I'll never let him go, and you'll never let him go.
I've let him go. I've let him go alone.
And let your father go.
Oh, God. Well, she is out of her mind.
All together. Your brother's alive, darling. Because if he's dead, your father killed him. Now, do you understand? As long as you're alive, he's alive. Now you see, don't you? Now you see.
Jesus, God, no. She's out. She's out of her mind. She's out of her fucking mind.
Then you did it?
Oh, well, he never flew a P-40.
But the others.
Oh, she is out of her mind.
Dad, you did it?
Oh, he never flew a P-40. What's the matter with you?
Then you did it.
Oh, what's the matter with you? Chris, what the hell's the matter with you?
How could you do that?
Oh, what's the matter with you?
Dad, you killed 21 men.
What? Killed?
You killed them. You murdered them.
How could I kill anybody?
Dad.
I didn't kill anybody.